Good morning, Peters Canyon Trailblazers. This is Mrs. Carreras. I hope that you had a wonderful weekend. We're glad that you're back with us today. It is Monday, November 18th. A lot has been going on around our school. Here's a picture of our first graders when they went to go visit the Aquarium of the Pacific. Obviously, they had a great time learning about all different types of animals, being able to touch and feel different things, and they even wrote about their trip when they came back. Here's some students touching some shark jaws. That's always exciting. And look at the enormous fish inside the tank that the students are looking at. What a great field trip. We're so lucky that our PTO funds these opportunities for us to be able to go on such great field trips. Thank you to everyone who donated all of their extra Halloween candy to Operation Gratitude. This year, Operation Gratitude, in conjunction with not just our school, but all of the schools that collect candy, they were able to deliver over 3 tons of candy to our troops. And I'm sure that they greatly appreciated it. So thank you so much for giving away your extra candy, saving your teeth. I'm sure your parents appreciate it. Congratulations to our girls volleyball team. They took the TUSD championship for the, I want to say, 6th time in a row. Not sure, but anyway, great job, girls. And special thanks to Coach Larson and Coach Sandy for helping our girls learn about sportsmanship and being great team players and supporting one another and learning to love the game of volleyball. Great job. Here are our kindergartners from Miss Limos's class sharing their nocturnal animal reports with us. They did a great job. If you'd like to see their reports, they are in the hallway over by the nurse's office. And they'll be up for a little while longer so you can enjoy their research and the great job that they did making things to go along with their research. Their artwork is fantastic. Their models are excellent. Great work, Kinders. This last weekend, our PCE robotics team participated in their very first robotics competition. There were schools from all over Orange County and LA County that participated in this competition. It was quite intense, but our students did a great job keeping them calm, encouraging one another, overcoming obstacles, and just having a great time. I'm so proud of them. They did awesome. Looking forward to their next robotics tournament in January. I know they're going to do great, but I'm so proud of all the things that they are learning. Our PTO auction ended this weekend, and they did fabulous. Congratulations to all of them who worked so hard. They surpassed their fundraising goal by 9.3% overall. So 103% they reached and surpassed their goal. Great job. This auction helps to support our field trips, all of our events here at Peters Canyon, our assemblies, just all kinds of great things that our PTO does for us so that we can have an awesome school. So thank you so much to all of your parents who also purchased items. We're super excited about that. And now for Mindful Monday. Today we're going to imagine clouds. So I'd like you to sit back in your chair and get comfortable. Imagine that you are a cloud way up in the sky. What kind of cloud would you be? Are you a white, fluffy cloud or a dark, gray storm cloud? If you are, imagine your angry raindrops just falling away. Maybe you're a silly cloud, making shapes of jelly beans and polar bears. Or just maybe you're a sparkly cloud full of snowflakes. You can be any kind of cloud you want inside your imagination. So together, let's take a long breath in and let it all the way out. As you imagine the type of cloud you want to be, take another long breath in and let it all the way out. Great job, Trailblazers. Have an awesome week.